right, now it's time to advertise, right? So, what I've got here, I have a laser cutting machine, and I designed okcwash.com and my phone number, which I had to set up. Long story. Anyway, I'm washing this area here. I think this side I'm going to practice with. So my margin of error here is pretty big, because if I mess something up, if I get a little crooked or something, I can always paint black over it and then paint it again. But don't want to do that. I'm going to get it as straight as possible. And then the way you cut this out, you have to have these little tabs, you know, and later I can fill it in with a little paintbrush or something to make it look better. Anyway, we're going to get this on this side. Eventually I want to have, this is the tailgate, by the way, and I constructed, I only have 2 in here right now, but I want 1 more. I went with this blue color because I thought it looked kind of watery, you know. This is treated lumber, and I actually went ahead and lacquered it and painted it again, just because I want my wood to stay a long time. Anyway, these fit in here nicely. If you saw my other video, go and look at my other videos. My only problem is, you know, can this come out if it bounces around a lot? I don't know. Hopefully not. All right, here's another thing. Actually, because I don't have a quick connect on my hose over there, I actually cut this off and grinded it down because I want to be able to take the hose and put it over there and not have it stuck here. I do not have a quick connect on that. I don't want one either. So anyway, back to what we're doing. okcwash.com. We're going to try to paint it on here and see how good we can do. Obviously, you have to get it very flat against there, or the paint will creep inside. I've done this before. And then you have to also worry about spray, you know, going outside the zone. I thought about using that blue color there, but I don't know if it contrasts enough with the black. Maybe white's better. It needs to be centered. Centering is my biggest issue, and getting it flat across there is my second issue. But it's dark here. Let's see what we can do tonight. Okay, have this all, what do they call it, masked off. The only problem is when you push on it a little bit, that means you cannot put a lot of paint, it'll drip. It has to be very pushed against and just slightly go over it several times. I think I've got it here, but I'm not super happy with this actual template. I actually want to have services like my email. I want to put signs back here on this. I want to have email, Twitter, all that shiz, and then I want something under here like I want to say, oh, here we go. Tomorrow I'm going to paint this. Right now it's too late. All right, there's a 15% chance of rain. What that means is if I leave this trailer in here, which I wanted to pull it out, but if I leave it in here, there's a 0% chance of rain. If I pull it out, there's a 100% chance of rain. So I'm going to leave it in here because I know I control the weather that way. Anyway, let's spray this tomorrow with white. I measured 4 inches, I think, 4 inches down. So this should be, even though this is not level, it should be level relative to that bar. Let's paint that tomorrow and see if it... Okay, so we got a little bleeding going through there, which I knew. Well, basically you can read it. The blue, light blue on. I really like that blue color. I'll post a link if you like it. It's the same color as that. Didn't have time to get that tailgate up, but we're about to go on our first mission, first trip. Anyway, we got some bleeding going through, but I can touch that up with I'll touch that up with a little brush, including connecting the 8s together and the W's together. I can do that with a little brush. But this is what I wanted to do for now. I got to get going. I'm going to do my first job. All right, join me.